The BMW E30 M3 is a legendary car that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Known for its exceptional handling, distinctive design, and racing pedigree, the E30 M3 is a true icon. Redux has taken this classic and elevated it to new heights with their enhanced and evolved series. In this video, we'll dive into the details of the Redux E30 M3, from its re-engineered engine to its bespoke interior. Under the hood, the Redux E30 M3 is powered by a re-engineered, naturally aspirated S14 B25 four-cylinder engine. This engine has been meticulously tuned to deliver exceptional performance, providing a thrilling driving experience. In-conal and titanium exhaust system, multi-adjustable suspension kit, carbon big brake kit, ABS system, bespoke interior trim, CNC machined aluminum exterior, and interior trim parts, Michelin Cup 2-tire, the list goes on. The engine is hand-built to Redux's exacting standards and specifications, with options for either a re-engineered S14 B25 or a redesigned alloy S14 B27 engine. The electronics are managed by a Motec M130 engine control unit, ECU, and two Motec 30 power distribution modules, PDMs, ensuring precise control and reliability. Interior trim: choose from a selection of high-quality fabrics and finest hides to complement your cabin. Comfortable, functional, and visually stunning. Bespoke billet aluminum and carbon fiber prepreg trim parts available. RTP carbon fiber body and paint. Redux's bespoke ready-to-paint, RTP, carbon fiber pre-preg body panels and trim parts undergo over 700 hours of paint preparation, application, sanding, and polishing.